Hi everyone, my name's Eric and this video will answer the question, what is the process of a Kundalini awakening? Kundalini awakening, whether it occurs within a spiritual discipline or spontaneously, brings challenges for many people. It is as if your system has been amped up for 110 to 220 volts, and you, as the appliance, have not yet adapted to it. It is exceedingly rare for an awakening to be completed before many months and years of cleaning have occurred. This energy of life force has a goal of bringing you a complete rest in the universal self, or what has been called the peace that passes all understanding. One scripture describes Kundalini as a goddess, also known as Shakti, who awakens and rushes through the body, through the crown of the head, to merge with her lover, the god Shiva, representing pure universal consciousness. As this journey happens, the self identifications, beliefs, and illusions related to the existing personality are undermined and eventually dissolved. You may feel like you no longer have a place to stand in the world. You are moving to standing on the vastness of the whole. While an awakening seems like a crazy and out of control experience, Kundalini is an intelligent and organic process that has a purpose and works with that purpose systematically. The purpose is to work through all the illusions and knots in the psyche and reorient the person's life into truth. This can be a painful process because it can mean the end of a relationship, work situations, and old ways of being. Often people are not ready to let go of the known and the familiar, and so attempt to hold on to these situations. The attachment to the old is what causes the suffering. The more a person has done the hard work before the Kundalini awakens, the smoother the process. If a person has had the spontaneous awakening with little work on themselves, they're in for a hard road. Over time, Kundalini transforms on a physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual level. And that, my friends, briefly answers the question, what is the process of the Kundalini awakening? Click in the description below for a great resource. Thanks for watching. Make sure you share the video with someone else who you think needs it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and comment below. Share any questions you have about the video in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel right now and click the notification bell so you don't miss out.